guys, so we're going to Bloomberg to see Tito Snake. Alright, so my sister wants to say hi. Hi. So we're nearly here, and Tito Snake is from Melbourne. I don't know what I got right. No, I just hope that was right. So here we are. And Mommy! Let's go back.
Lini, you got your bag with you.
So we're here. And look, my sister's back. So I love it. Bye!
Lini's looking for mommy. Dinrap ko na lang sila guys kasi walang mapaparkingan dito. So, yeah. Chris is now waiting inside. Hanap muna ako ng parking. So, nakapark na ako. I'm just walking towards the cafe now, guys. Alam niyo ba, sobrang busy ng araw today. Kasi, as Paris mentioned before, nandito yung Uncle Snake nila. Best friend Daddy Mike from Melbourne, guys. They're only here for a couple of days. So, we're catching up with them. Well, actually, kami na mga kids, just for a coffee. Pero si Daddy Mike, he will go with him. They'll have lunch and we'll have dinner together. So they'll spend the whole day today. Pero kami ng mga kids ay may iba kaming agenda. So, my friend Iken, birthday ng kanyang baby boy this week. And they're having the celebration today at 12. So, we'll come here for a coffee. And then, pagkatapos dito, straight na kami kina Iken para celebrate yung birthday ni Seth. And yeah, Daddy Mike will have his day with his friend. Hindi naman masyadong malayo yung pinagparkingan ko guys. Hiningal ng very light, but it's okay. I found a parking. That's the main thing. Napaka-busy kasi alam nyo, weekend, everyone's out and about. Gonna cross the road here. Have you been drinking snacks, coffee?
Yeah. I was thinking that'd be right, wouldn't it?
Oh, yummy!
It's a great coffee. It's a good coffee.
Yeah.
Another coffee.
Do you have that?
We saw a couple of scammers. We saw a couple of scammers. Mate, you'll see a couple of more by the time you finish. Depends on what side. Depends on what side of We're up on the hill.
You can.
Not far from the bridge at all. So. Yeah, maybe a couple hundred meters.
Okay, go say bye-bye, Daddy.
Oh, the hug.
I love you so much.
Nice to see you, Paris.
Sit tonight.
Yeah. Daddy's gonna go with Uncle Snake.
See you later.
See you, Chris. Oh, it's so good to see you.
Look forward to seeing you again in a couple of
Yes.
months.
Say bye-bye, Uncle Snake. Aww.
Isn't that cute?
How's that hair
Beautiful
too?
girls.
Looks great.
It's a bit out of control. That's why I bought this, but then I might get burned. So. Let's go, guys. Alright.
Alright, take care.
See you soon.
Enjoy. Bye-bye, Daddy. Daddy's going. Enjoy. Come, let's go to our car. Tingnan itong dalawa. Ito yung pa-outfit nila for today. Yeah, we're going to our car.
But I'm going.
Yeah, we're going to sets. Remember?
No, Daddy is just coming for my second. And Daddy come back.
Yeah, no, Daddy will go with his friend, with Uncle Snake. Come on, let's go.
Now when Daddy come back,
Oh, careful this car.
Daddy can go home.
Yeah. Lini, do you want Daddy to come
No,
back?
the mommy's no. The one that he's going to the boat.
Where?
He's going to the boat.
We're going to the boat. Yeah. See, Daddy, did Daddy catch that ferry?
No, Daddy's not catching the ferry. He's not a zombie.
He's catching a ferry.
You.
He's catching a ferry.
I'm
Look,
afraid.
I think Daddy's in that ferry there.
Just flying in the
Flying. Okay, let's go.
ground. Mama.
Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, dirty and mine is the worst. Come here, baby. Tingnan nyo, agay ang hot chocolate. Pero ayoko nang umuwi, guys, para magbihis. So we'll just go like this. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Next time,
Yeah.
when I find some string, I'm gonna glue it here.
Mhm.
So I can make it. I'll fly away enough.
Okay.
I just need to find glue. Just flying in the rock.
Anak, you're super cute. Look at both of you. Tingnan niyo itong isa. Nak, honey girl. Come. Hey, can you tell me Selene, can you tell me what's inside your bag?
It's the toothbrush of money.
Money?
No, this inside your bag, mommy.
Yeah, what's inside your bag?
It's a makeup. It's just a makeup order, not money.
Makeup? You got makeup as well?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I got. Where's the Auntie? Auntie, where's the? You got money as well in there.
How much money have you got?
No, $5. No, I put it in your bag.
Oh, yeah, you did, didn't you?
She asked what I was doing. Wee-wee. It's just one of the wee-wee.
You want to do a wee-wee?
Yeah.
It's okay, you got a nappy on.
No, I mean the wee-wee in the
You
toilet.
want to go to the toilet?
I mean to go home and we are toilet.
Okay, we'll get in the car now. Okay?
And
And then we can go to the toilet.
When I see this.
Or we can go to Seth's house now and you can use the toilet there.
I'll finish my toilet when I
Yeah.
go.
Okay. Because it's not 11:30 anyways. Alright, girls.
I mean to go toilet. I mean to go to the wee-wee, okay?
Ambot ni mo sa ninoy. Lene.
I found a tiny crystal. It's shiny.
Ooh.
That's cold.
Are you cold?
Look,
Okay, let's go.
look, it's a crystal.
I opened it already. The car. You wanna pull it?
Okay, what about crystal? Show me my bag.
Where's Simanes?
Oh,
Celine, where's Simanes?
please.
Okay. Open, come on, before it locks again. Come on.
I can't do it.
Yes, you can. Pull it. Yep. Mama will help you. Okay, pull. There. Oh, there you go. Good job. Yeah.
Where's my crystal? There's just me to go cool it.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Mama, open the sound.
Nandito pa rin kami sa Balimba, guys. So, napag-isipan ko before kami pupunta sa birthday, kina Aiken. Stay here, my love. Ay, mag-stop muna kami dito sa Pia Cafe, yung Filipina restaurant, Filipino cafe dito sa Balimba. Kasi gusto kong bumili ng coconut milkshake. At bibilhan ko si Aiken para matry din niya. Hindi ko alam kung nakapunta na siya dito. Okay, come on. We'll borrow the key here for the toilet, okay? While we wait for our drinks. Come on. Kumisa ay ihing-ihi na rin kahit merong napi, ayaw niya. Come on, we'll go to the toilet, okay? We'll borrow the key.
And guys, do you know what? I can make a bird noise.
Ayo! Come here, good. How are you? Okay, ayun sa bali ay. Dani may mag-order, awas ba? Hello! This way?
Guys, if you want to sit outside, there's also
Oh, dito na kami, guys.
it's up to you.
Birthday, pakaws for more. Pakaws. Wow! Yay! Good job! Ate is there, oh. Ayan, sila muna. Oop! 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 Oh, no, careful, Selene. Yan, nagpa-cater pala sila, guys. Got spaghetti and this. I don't know what this one is. Fried chicken. And here. Anak, we'll have some corn, anak.
This man is good.
Yeah. I can't go any higher, Baba. Lady, how many cupcakes have you got?
Wow.
How many?
One.
Show me your cupcake.
This one.
The brown.
I heard red.
Meron silang pa bubbles here, guys. See? Third birthday party.
Alright. Other one.
Oh, here's the birthday boy.
How about green?
I color pink.
A color pink. What color do you want? A cupcake. Any cupcake?
Pag sure set. Ang sabri ay.
I get one more.
Pink. Ako, benta niyo. Set is na lang.
I will have two.
It's alright, Baba. Ate can get it. Wow, you got two yourself. My goodness. Wow, good luck sa ngipon, ha?
Happy birthday to you. Yeah. And you're gonna give your friend your cake.
Wow, look at that.
Oh, wow. Have a look at that cake. Pretty cool. Carol?
Mommy,
Wow.
Kelly.
Come here. Stay on this side. Do you want to see the cake? No, go, Lord. No. See? See? Very nice. Okay. Oh, stand next to the... Ay, sorry, day. Di ba may mga truck? Di ba may mga truck?
They can try.
Up to you. Harold? No. Doreen.
The cake was made by Sid, and
If you do birthday cakes and stuff like that. Guys,
Harold.
be careful of the cake
Harold.
at the moment.
Green, don't
No,
touch
no touching
Celine?
the cake just yet, guys.
This is set the next thing with the same person, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then 7 minutes we blow this handle, okay? Come on, green.
That's alright.
Okay,
That's all good.
and
Come here, Lini.
So basically,
this is gonna go
like that.
Come on. Okay, I'm gonna call Papa.
That's alright.
Makain na ako na.
We're not in start.
wow, second cake.
Oh my goodness. You're so lucky. You want this cake? I'll taste every cake.
See, that one's chocolate.
Kagaha? Okay.
I'll just have the ring.
Alright, let's sing. Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sen. Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
Hooray! You can't reach, Sen?
Dad, we'd have to get Mummy to help you up there.
Oh, okay. Mommy's help, right? Okay,
Ready?
you blow now.
Ready? 2, 3.
Blow!
Again.
One more.
These are very good candles.
Happy birthday, Tete!
Say thank you, everybody.
Say happy birthday.
Yay!
No.
On that cake. On that cake.
Do you want a cake? Okay.
Whichever kids like.
We'll give you a cake.
We're gonna get the
Have to wait in line,
cake.
Think of someone else.
Cake ko more ay isa. Yummy lang?
Are you drinking my beer?
Just a little bit.
Change your mind. Hindi ko lang yan yung sinapay ng wala.
I'm going to try some of it.
Maybe we'll go over there.
Achiever.
Go to the Achiever. We'll go over there.
Tita of all suburbs. We call her Tita of all suburbs.
Dai, thank you for having us.
No worries.
Say hi sa akong vlog na.
Hi,
Welcome to my
vlog!
hi.
Like and subscribe! Like and subscribe, mga day! Go pa naman mo.
It's now 5:50 ng hapon, guys, and it's already dark outside kasi it's autumn. So, maaga siyang dumidilim sa labas. So, obviously, nakauwi na kami, guys. Agad-agad ay nag-ready ako ng mga dadalhin namin bukas para ibenta ng Ate Paris. So, maaga kami bukas. I'm trying to go to sleep early tonight. Mimi. So, yung mga gamit, nadala ko na yung iba sa garage. Pupunta kami doon kasama yung mga bata para i-arrange na lang siya. Yung mga bags lang yung in-organize ko ngayon, guys. Actually, meron tayong mga pouches na dadalhin bukas. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, meron tayong ito. So, vintage na to, guys, na Burberry. Na black pouch. Ayan. Ayan, makikita nyo yung talagang pre-owned siya, guys, kasi may mga tarnishing na siya dito sa kanyang hardware. But yeah, we'll sell it for a very good price. Hopefully, mabenta. So, we have this MCM na pwede siyang gawing pouch. Tatanggalin lang tong strap niya. So, we've got another one here, a vintage one from Celine. And this is also a pouch, or you can use it as your tablet holder. I will be taking this Gucci Jackie bag. Ayan. Dalhin natin to. And these are just some sa aking dadalhin, ha? So, can you imagine, sobrang punong-puno na ang sasakyan ng mga goods, guys, para pambenta. Ayan, mayroon tayong Prada na two-way. Kasi dapat, ramihan talaga yung pagdala, guys. Kasi more chance na mabenta, di ba? Kapag nakita ng tao, kaysa nandito lang sa bahay or online. So, if you're looking for something for yourself or pang-regalo nyo, guys, at nandito kayo dito sa Australia, pero mind you, guys, mga pre-owned to siya, hindi to sila brand new, ha? So, pang-personal. More pang-personal. So, ayan, meron tayong Salvatore, Ferragamo. This is like the suede material. Ayan. This one is, yes, it's also another Salvatore Ferragamo na nylon siya. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. So, meron akong eBay store. Ilalagay ko yung link sa description box below. If ever na gusto nyo mag-shopping, guys, gusto nyo akong i-support. Another Gucci. This is different, guys. This is Gucci Jackie, but it's the older version. Ayan. But alam niyo yung kulay is super kakaiba, diba? Turquoise. Ganun. Meron pa akong isang Jackie rin siya, but different pa. But in pink.
Can we go to the garage now?
Yeah, we are going to the garage, honey. Ayan siya. Iba naman po siya. And many, many more. And hopefully,
I'm coming now.
may benta tayo bukas, guys. I'm always excited kapag pupunta ako sa studio, guys. Kasi, magagawa ko naman yung mga bagay na gusto kong gawin. Benta. Yan. Sobrang bigat nito. Oh my God! I've got shoes. I've got tons of clothing. So, sa eBay ko, guys, mostly mga bags and shoes, accessories. Walang masyadong damit, but I do have a lot of clothing. Sabi ko nga kay Daddy Mike na I will spend more time para mag-take photos ng mga damit. Kasi I feel like mas marami din bumibili ng mga damit, guys. So, kailangan ko lang siyang, like, put it out there para makita ng mga tao. So, nabibenta ko siya kapag nasa market. Kasi nakikita nila. Kasi online, Mga bags mostly yung ano ko, benta ko. Si daddy natin ay hindi pa nakauwi. Mag-dinner pa yun sila. And then, come home later on. Okay. Who's coming with me to the garage? Okay, come on then.